Uncharted.
As you likely know, we have a lot of water here in the watershed known as the Tennessee Valley, which is why Vicki Valentine is one of 3 women who travel this territory introducing school children to their local water sources and what's in them. As she explains, it's as much about making them aware of the impact we can have as humans on our water as it is about inspiring a new generation to see the subjects of science, technology, engineering, and math in a new light.
This river runs almost like 2 blocks from town.
Okay.
And it runs through Quitman County and several counties in this part of Mississippi. And because we're doing a water quality lab with the 5th graders at Quitman Middle School, we're going to get water that's actually from their community.
Okay,
and
that's
take
cool.
that to them.
All right.
And that's what they're going to do their science experiment on.
It's been a while since I've had to heed the school bell, but now that we've collected some samples from Coldwater River, it's time to head to nearby Quitman Middle School for a few science experiments.
So I had a student one time that looked at me with these big eyes that said, "This is like a field trip coming to us. It's being outside and it's doing some hands-on and it's different from your regular classroom. It's like a field trip." Part of it is that we're using water from their community. It's kind of a local connection. I mean, I could bring water from the Mississippi River or the Tennessee River and we could test it and it would still be a great experience. But what I'm hoping for is that there's a connection with their community, a connection in their heart for the natural resources that are around them. It's basically a science lab that's a hands-on experience with science equipment, and so they get to be a scientist for that block of time. And we test for 4 different qualities of the water. They interact with each other in a science team. They work through science and engineering practices. We review tons of things that they hopefully learned 3rd, 4th grade and set them up for things they're going to move on to in 6th grade. So it's about things in their real world.
For our students, it's a really big deal. In this age of technology, not a lot of kids go out inside to play or to interact with the natural resources that we have in the land, so to have it being brought in is really amazing to them, for them to be able to experience that hands-on. And then here in the Mississippi Delta, they don't necessarily get a lot of opportunities to go out and venture to do these kinds of experiments. So having the opportunity for it to come in-house is a really big deal for our kids.
Yeah.
Even if we help someone, one of the students kind of form their attitude about science and the way they look at it, that's always a good thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
When you consider our limited resources, this is awesome for us because if it was not for expert partners like TVA, they would not be privy to such opportunities. We're hoping that our students would become more interested in STEM careers. If we can expose our students to these type of avenues early, then we're hoping that they will develop a career path and not be afraid, because I think a lot of them fear science, math, and engineering fields because they haven't really been exposed to it by this being a rural area. So to be able to partner with entities like TVA is providing that external avenue that would help them kind of develop that mindset early on as to what they would like to choose for a career path.
Watching Vicki instruct and excite the classes at Quitman Middle School, I was reminded that it's hard to care about what you don't know. Giving these students insight into water sources where they swim and play, she was able to draw a very personal connection to the protection of this natural resource. In the immediate, hopefully that's something they carry into their day-to-day actions, but for some of them, it's an interest that could inspire a career as well.